Security forces in Manipur seized a huge consignment of arms and ammunition during frequent search operations and area domination exercises. The troops have maintained heightened security and vigil in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hill and valley districts, aiming to maintain peaceful conditions across the state. The forces recovered significant items from Kakching district's Laimanai-Laimatonching areas, including one country-made 9mm pistol with magazine, 2 carbine magazines empty, 1.36 hand grenade, 1 detonator, 5 live rounds ammunition, 3 empty cartridges, 138.8 tear gas gun, 8 tear smoke shells, 1 Baofeng handset with charger, 1 helmet, 1 mag pouch, among other miscellaneous items. Meanwhile, the security forces also ensured the movement of 14 vehicles carrying essential items along National Highway 2. Furthermore, strict security measures have been taken up in all vulnerable locations, along with the provision of a security convoy in sensitive stretches aiming to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. 110 nakas or checkpoints were also installed in different districts of the state, both in the hill and the valley. The police, however, did not detain any number of individuals for involvement with violations.